Hey everyone, this is Electronic Consumer. Today I'll be using this flip phone in 2017. Let's get started. So let's talk about the build quality of the flip phone. This phone can survive through carpet, glass floor, concrete, and anything you can throw at it. If you have a flagship smartphone like an iPhone, Samsung, if you drop it on concrete or glass floors, it will shatter. But this phone, it can survive through anything. So you can use calendar, alarm clock, calculator, and a lot more, guys. You can also play games, ringers, screensaver, and other applications like web apps and stuff like that. Here are some of the apps you can use or play. You got Pac-Man, Tetris, and you can download more, which is really awesome. The graphics on this game is really good. You can see everything you're doing. The quality is excellent, and I think you guys should check it out. You can even use this phone as your daily driver. You can use apps, games, even make calls, and even messages. These phones are only $10, so you could be saving a lot of money instead of spending hundreds of dollars on other smartphones. So using a flip phone is not that bad. It's durable, great battery life, and you guys should check one out. This is Electronic Consumer, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.